Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2015 Holden Captiva, stock on the 6694. This ran from the first 2011 to the 6 2018. It has a Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the Z22D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre. Left hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory Omega tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, one dent. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory Omega tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front heater sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,